Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar, overall, I am definitely very bearish. I think it's going to go down all the way down below these previous lows on the 4-hour time frame. Now, a little bit more of a short-term outlook. I mean, this could still possibly try to be like an ABC like this before it actually goes down. Make more of a proper 1-2 pattern. But the problem with that is that counter trend thinking is often what causes us to lose trades. And what I mean by that is if we go down to the sort of time frames and think that it's a good idea to go long, oftentimes it'll just go up a little bit and then just keep on going down. And not only could you miss out on the short opportunity because you were trying to go long, but you possibly would end up losing a trade trying to go long. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, like I said, it could possibly pop up, back up to these highs and be some sort of like an ABC correction, definitely. But for me personally, I would just focus on the shorts. I would be looking at this Fibonacci retracement. If it makes any kind of a three-way pullback to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then engulfing down, that's what I would potentially be looking for to see if this is just a little pullback because it hit support over here and it's just going to end up continuing the downtrend, which I think is more likely because I'm thinking this is potentially a 1, 2, 3. So maybe we have like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and then it goes down for a wave 3 of 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.